is called 全副 remix. 32 count, 4 walks. There's no tag and no restart. Let me show you the dance. Starting with your right foot. Swing your right to the front with your toe touching the front. Step your right back. Swing your left to the back with your toe touching the back. And step your left forward. Point right to right. And step right forward. Point left to left. And step left forward. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Chassé to your right. Side together, side. Make a chassé to your left, 1/4 turn. Side together, side. Do a jazz box forward. Cross, back, side, forward. Section 2 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, diagonal lock step. Diagonal lock, step. Repeat for the left. Diagonal lock, step. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Rock right forward. Make a 3/8 turn to your right, facing 12 o'clock. Rock, recover, facing 12 o'clock. Step left forward, make a pivot half turn to your right and step left forward. Now do a 1/8 to the left using your right, step 1/8 and another 1/8 with your left facing 3 o'clock. So the last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the end of the dance. Let me show you from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3,